Hi, we're here with B&N's It's All About Arts. We're at the beautiful Copley Fairmont Hotel in the Back Bay, and we are here with Nino Schumecka. Welcome.
Nice to meet you.
You too, and you just arrived from Sicily, correct?
Yes, I arrived 3 days ago, and it was a beautiful trip, and I found a beautiful Boston.
Excellent. Well, we're happy to have you, and you're going to be here painting, I hear.
Yes, I think Boston is a beautiful place for having my own dimension, and it's the place in which I can show myself better than the other place. I think it's so Boston has its own soul, and I think we can match in a good way.
I think you're going to be a great match because your work is so intellectual and interesting, and Boston is definitely a very educated city and also becoming more of an art town as well. So tell us a little bit about the work that you do.
Oh, like we talked a little bit before, my work coming from my soul. It's the place in which starts all, and it's the place in which finish even the part that regard myself for painting. I mean, I just started to painting from this place like a concept, and having, or I use even just the technique of having the daydream, so I can just sketch something in a paper during my daydream, and after I elaborate this concept, and I use so many philosophical situation and psychological situation inside. So I start my painting into my soul like a concept, and I try to give a form to that concept, to put that concept into the canvas. Starting with the mother of a painting, that is to draw. You have to draw because you have to check the weight of the figure, and after the weight of the color. So you need to pay attention at the starting work. When I am sure that all could come good after the sketch, after draw, I started to use the color and to give the form to my concept, the initial concept. The thing that I like to do is to start a concept, but let the people thinking to the end of the concept. It's like you open the book, you started to read the first book, the first part of the book, and you let to the other people to finish the book. And they can put whatever they want to put for ending the book. This is important because it's like to work like we were a team, me and the public that has to enjoy my work. I can paint just for myself because I want to talk not with the words like I'm doing now. Even, yes, it's beautiful, but I even prefer to do this with my painting, without talking, just putting a figure, the color, and the concept inside. This is.
Well, I think that's so important because, you know, when we look at artwork, everybody has their own feelings towards it, you know, from where we've come from. So you have your vision and your feelings that you put into the painting, and I love how you want the viewer to finish the story. I think that's really wonderful. Not all artists want that. You know, a lot of artists want the story to be theirs and theirs alone, but I think what artwork does, it evokes a lot of feeling, and, you know, from where we've come from. I saw a woman have an incredible reaction to a painting that brought her back to childhood, and I think that's really important for an artist to be able to do that for somebody.
I think, Susan, that there is a problem in the art of this period, but it's not a problem that just started yesterday. I think it's a long period now. It's enough to stay this period. It has to go away. What I want to say? I want to say that there is a problem of communication between a painter and the public. Because sometimes the public is not ready for understanding what you want to say. So you have to talk in the same language, using the same words. No matter if I use English or Italian, I don't want to say this one. I want to say that there is, that it needs a connection between the painter and the public that see your work. So you have to use the same language. And sometimes I see that not to, it's impossible for the people understand what the painter wanted to say. So for giving stimulation and giving stimulation in a correct way, for teasing the public, you have to show them at least the base in which they have to stay for starting to think like you think, but being even they able to think by themselves, because they have to have their opinion. So they have to be free to think if they are agree with me or not. So it's important to establish a communication between the painter and the person that receive your thoughts. So they have to understand you, what you want to say, and leave them the space for understanding even that they can do more than you did already. They can put in their mind, but they want to like to see. Another thing important is to leave the hope into the canvas. I mean, for example, there are canvas that you can think, oh my God, this concept is so deep. It's too much hard for the people. This situation could annoy someone, so it's not good you do this. But leave in this canvas anyway your solution. So the pink part of your thoughts, you have to give them. Just one. The other one, you have to start by yourself to think about. This is important.
Well, it all sounds wonderful. Boston is very lucky to have you here, and you're here for 3 months, correct?
Yes, I will stay here 3 months, and I'm sure I will enjoy Boston, and the people here are so kind and so deep.
They are, and I know you have a lot of shows coming up, and we're going to let everybody know what you're going to be up to when you're here in Boston. So welcome, and we're happy that you're here.
Yes, thanks so much. I'm very happy to be here. I've been here in the USA in 30 years ago, and I was so young. Now don't start to count my age because I'm not old, but anyway. I had a beautiful impression of the USA, but now I am really realizing the deep soul, especially of Boston, that I knew it is the city of the culture. It's a cultural city, Boston.
Oh, absolutely. It has quite a European flair. We have some of the greatest hospitals and universities and wonderful people. And again, like I said earlier, it's becoming definitely more of an art town. And it's an exciting time, and we're glad you're here to partake of all we have to offer. So again, thank you so much.